everyone, and welcome back. I so appreciate it. If you're new here, and you might be because it's a newer channel, you know, I just want to thank you and thank everyone actually for coming on my channel and you know, taking some time out. I know time is very valuable. If you like what you see on my channel, you know, subscribe. I will be putting on a lot of tutorials and reviews on beauty products, fashion hauls, things that make your life easy, like Amazon, different Amazon hauls and stuff like that. My style is classic, timeless, at least that's what I'm always trying to achieve, and for the most part works really well for me. Oh, my dog is coming into the shoot. Lily, go! My dog is the sweetest, but she's 12 years old and it's hard because she's getting older. But anyways, enough of that. So I've had this delivered to me within, for the last 2 weeks it's been sitting in my closet waiting. And I've been waiting because I didn't want to open it up without you guys here, because I want first impressions. And you know, I'm going to give you my first impression, what I think and why I did order it. So let's get started because, yeah, this is the Neverfull size by Louis Vuitton, and you know, I'm actually quite excited about it. I do find though I'm not a type of person that's going to spend and have like 20 luxury bags or more, or even 10 luxury bags. Like, I won't do that. Like, I have a few, and cost per wear is really important to me. I like to establish in my wardrobe and in my home a lot of high and low, and you know, put them together and make beautiful things with that and have a beautiful life that way. So for me, if you need to know more on cost per wear, if you know, head over to my site, my website. I have a blog on there and I have an article on there on cost per wear, and I do go by that, and I think it's important, and I'll put it in the description box, the link in the box. But getting back to this, so the reason why I did even decide on this is I did need a tote bag. This is just a big part of my life, and I live just outside the city and in Canada, and I always have to drive in, and when I go to the gym or whatever, I wear a backpack, and you know, I'm just, you know, but you can really dress up, you know, casual gym clothes with a jacket and boots, right? So that's what I do. But the problem is that, you know, I might be going for a meeting, or I might be going for lunch, I might, you know, whatever I'm doing, I might be going to my child's school, and you know, it just doesn't always fit well, this backpack in my life, and I wanted to elevate my style a little bit that way, and I knew that getting a tote would be something that I would utilize and use a lot, so I would be comfortable with the cost per wear. That being said, if you're one of the ladies that just wears luxury handbags and purses, you know what, enjoy them. Okay, so I'm opening it up, and it's by Louis Vuitton, of course, the Neverfull in the size MM, and you know, it comes very beautifully packaged. A funny story is, last year I had purchased the 6-ring keychain, and I had a hard time locating that. Like, I had to wait months for it, and then finally I got a notification that it was in stock, and I was able to order it, which I love because I could emboss it with my initials, which I love. And but I had to wait, and this time when I went on the site, you know, of course, I got it in the cart. It went in the cart right away, and I was like, yes, that's great, because you know, I finally decided I'm going to do it, and this is part of my lifestyle. It would be something that I would wear all the time. I felt very comfortable with this purchase. So it was in my cart, and then of course what I did was I went back to my notes just to, you know, look over the pros and cons when purchasing stuff, and I went back to my computer, and it said it was sold out. It said it wasn't available, out of stock, and I couldn't believe it. It was like, what? So then I decided, you know, I remember Hope Renfrew in Vancouver opened up a Louis Vuitton store. So I decided, like, in part of their store, they have a Louis Vuitton section there now. So I decided I'm going to phone them, and I did, and they put me through to a PR person there, you know, personal assistant, a PA person personal assistant, and she said, what do you want? I told her. She said, I have to phone Louis Vuitton store and we will see from there. And that was it. I gave her my information, and I was like, okay, well, maybe it'll be a little quicker than the website. I waited months. I wasn't thinking. The very next day, I think it was, I got a phone call, text message to call her. They located the bag, and yes, so within 3 days I had it. It came delivered, and I mean, yeah. So, so it comes with my receipt, and then I will show you. Beautiful packaging, you know, they really know how to do this. Okay, so yeah, it's beautiful packaging. So you know, it's funny, like you just never know. So when I phoned who went through, great service there, and yeah, I was really shocked. I don't know, but yeah, so it comes in, of course, a dust bag. I would assume that. I think a tote is a great, you know, I'll use this all the time. So yeah, it comes with a dust cover, so that's always nice. Purchased this, of course, in their Heritage Classic print. It's gorgeous, and it is the Damier Ebene print. So the inside is beautiful. It's cherry lined fabric. This is leather. It does come with a bonus. You're still paying for this, but it does come with a pouch that you can reuse. A nice little add-on to it, so it does come with this. And yeah, like, I am loving it as well. So I ordered the Orc Analyzer by Zumoni, and I just haven't received it yet. It should be coming this week. Yeah, very inexpensive, very decent quality for the price. So I like that. I need an organizer for this, and the one I got, I think it was C, organizer style C, and that's because it holds one water bottle, because I know I always like to carry water with me. Yeah, you know, it is lovely. It is quite beautiful. Anyway, so it has these side straps here, and if you want, which I don't know if I would use it for this, I might, I don't know, but you just pull these together. It's quite simple to do. And you grab your other one, and you pull this so you can get another look out of this tote bag, which actually I appreciate. I appreciate the versatility of it. I believe, though, I will use this all the time. That's why I purchased it. So that's actually quite nice. I mean, look at that. Oh. And yeah. Okay, so, but I'm going to show you first the style. So I believe that this is the length of it is 12.6 inches. The height is 11.4 inches, and the width, which is super important, is 6.7. And I think that's great. And the reason why I think that's great is because it won't be so bulky. You know, you're going to be putting a lot of stuff in here, but you can only bulk it up so much, I suppose. But I like that. Even if you don't, it's not going to be too big. So, let's give you a little side shot. I'll give you a little side shot of what it will look like. Is this cute? Super nice. I will use this. And I'll feel like, yeah, even when I'm wearing my, you know, exercise gear or whatever, yeah, I'll be feeling like I'm pulled together. They come in 3 sizes, right? So small, medium, and large. The large is really large. I think it's great though if you know, have a lifestyle where you're traveling a lot. I think that would be perfect. For me though, I'm just going to be traveling in the city and back and forth from my home, so this size is perfect for me. But this is gorgeous. Yeah, I knew I was going to like it anyway because I spent a lot of time making a decision on it. So how I got introduced to this brand personally was through an SLG, small leather goods, and I had purchased this 6-key chain, and I loved it. It's actually really nice, and you know, it has my initials on it embossed with gold, color gold, and yeah, I like it. And it's a year old, and it looks brand new. Well, to me it does. It looks great. It's in great condition. I really like this print. I'll make sure that I add on the description for the organizer, because I think that that is something that, especially in a tote bag, I mean, it just makes more sense for me. You know, then you have compartments and stuff like that, because I like to carry everything and my kitchen sink where I go. And yeah, that can be a problem sometimes. So you can use this as a clutch as well, and then you have your little 6 keyring keychain. 6 key keychain, that's what it is. And you can have a little pouch for inside, which I can appreciate. And as well as if you wanted to have an evening clutch maybe, or a day clutch. Yeah, that's great. But definitely this is something that I would use a lot in the market for it. You know, check them out. So all in all, I hope you guys have a really lovely day. Thank you for watching, and check back next week for my next video, and I will see you then. Have a good day. Bye.